Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Eve and today we are doing makeup. Today it was all about this smoky eye, and then we are going to review some amazing lippies from Divas Cosmetics. So keep it locked guys as you see the whole process. So today I did my face off camera, so for today, I won't do my face. I'll be doing the eyes and the lips. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that red button there. Yes, and to my amazing subscribers, my amazing followers. Thank you guys. You have been amazing. So I really appreciate all of you. Let's get straight to the video. So guys, today we are doing a smoky eye makeup. Now I'm going to prime my eyelid. And I'll start using this LA Girl concealer in the shade beige. Yeah, this is in the shade beige.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change and I feel that you mean it. You mean it.
Next, I'm going to use this Wet n Wild setting spray. So I'll set that.
Buying things online and it's not like we need them.
So I'll be doing one eye on camera and the other one off camera. After that guys, I'm going to use this sleek palette here in the shade black.
The only thing I'll do.
So I'll just tap in, tap until I get that smoky eye look.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time. Buying things online and it's not like we need them.
So now after this process, I'm going to do another shade, a lighter shade just on top of this. So for that, I'm using this palette here. This is Maridadi palette by Reina Beauty. So I'll just use this shade here, this orange. Then I'm gonna blend this up here. So make sure you're doing this lightly so that you can remove this harsh line here. So blend lightly. So guys, that's it. After blending, you can see we have already removed that harsh line there with that shade. So this is how I do my smoky eye, and it's that simple guys. So let me do the other eye off camera, then I'll be back. So guys, this is how I do my simple smoky eye. So I'll go ahead and do the mascara, then do my lashes. For the mascara, I'm using Divas Cosmetics mascara. It's a volumizing mascara, so it's a very good mascara even if you're not doing the lashes.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change and I feel that you mean it. You mean it.
Look at that guys. But I'll go ahead and do the lashes because I love lashes. So for the lashes, I'm using NK. This is the NK lashes. I love using this hair bonding glue. This sticks so well on my lashes. So I've been using it for the longest time guys. So I'll go ahead and yeah, put some glue. Then wait for it like a minute, then I fix it. You're supposed to look down, have another mirror down, then you fix your lashes. It's that simple, guys. I always prefer using my hands, so guys, as you can see, we are done. So let's do the other eye off camera. So these are the results, guys. See that look, even with the lashes. Very nice, guys. So now I'm going to do my face off camera. This time round I'm not doing my face because we have to review some amazing lippies from Divas Cosmetics. Yes, Divas Cosmetics have new lippies and some new lip glosses, so let's review that after I do my face. So let's do that very fast. I'll be back shortly. So guys, this is my face bit. I did this so fast off camera. So guys, let's now review the lippies. I just received this amazing package from Divas Cosmetics, and they have new lip glosses and new lippies, guys. So I received all these from Divas Cosmetics, guys. So I'm going to show you what they have, which is new in stock. So I've done another review of the shades. They have so much. They have lippies, they have foundations, they have powders, they have mascara, eyelashes, and all that. If you've been watching my previous videos, you'll see I've reviewed their products, and their products are amazing, guys. So let's go ahead and see what is new. So they have this lippy here called Exotica. This one here, this is a matte lipstick. So, and also they have this package, this new package from Candy. They had Candy, but now this is the new package of Candy lippy. So this is how they look like, guys. So they come in this box. So this is now Candy. This is Candy, and then this is Exotica, this one here. So I'm going to show you guys how the lippies look like. Then I have glosses. The glosses comes in this packaging, guys. You can see the others, the matte lippies comes in this package. So the glosses come in this package. So I have this amazing lip glosses here. See that? This is the packaging. So I have like different shades, so I'll be showing you each and every shade, guys. So let's do that. I'll start with the matte lippies. So I'll go ahead and line my lips using this Davis brown pencil. So I'll go ahead and line my lips.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we.
So I'll start with a Candy.
You mean it, but you're so right. We're losing track of time, buying things online, and it's not like we need them. We don't need them.
Wow, this shade is amazing, guys. See that?
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change, and I feel that you mean it. You mean it, but you're so right. We're losing track of time, buying things online, and it's not like we need them.
Next, I'm going to review this one here. This is Exotica. Yeah, let's do that.
The only thing I'll do
Next, I'm going to review this is nude pleasure. It's a lip gloss. So this is how it is, guys. Let's do that. So first of all, we line the lips.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change, and I feel that you mean it.
Then do the gloss.
You mean it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time, buying things online, and it's not like we need them.
This is a clear gloss. I love it, guys. I love it. Next, we are going to review this Sugar Plum. Sugar Plum is this shade here. It's kind of orangish, yeah. So let's do that. So first of all, we line the lips. Blend. I love this, guys. I love this shade. Wow, I can rock this anytime, any day. This is my favorite. This becomes my favorite shade. This is Sugar Plum.
We were on the run, rocking around the clock. Now all we need is.
So guys, and to the last one. This is a hot chocolate. Yeah, this is hot chocolate. So let's see. Yes, this is kind of golden brown. This is it, guys. So let's do this. Yeah, we line the lips first as usual. Then apply the gloss. Guys, I love this shade. Wow, it's kind of chocolate and it's smelling so nice. All of them are smelling wow. I love. So guys, that's it. So those are the new shades from Divas Cosmetics. If you love this video, give me a thumbs up. Yes, like. Yeah, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe down there. Yes, and we'll be seeing more of these videos, guys. Hope you love even the smoky eye. Yes, and that's it for today. See you on the next one. Bye. Love you.